Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Muizz. Get ready to discover how Allah gives honor and strength to those who love Him. Al-Muizz means the giver of honor. Allah is the one who gives strength and respect to whoever He wishes. When we follow Allah's guidance, He gives us honor and makes us strong. Let's meet Ahmed, a shy little boy who was scared to speak in class. He made dua to Allah, asking Al-Muizz to give him courage. With Allah's help, Ahmed became brave and confident. When we are kind and honest, Allah gives us honor. People trust us and respect us. Being good Muslims makes us strong and respected. Allah honored our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, by choosing him to teach people about Islam. Even though he faced many challenges, Allah made him successful and respected. Do you want to be honored by Allah? Here are some ways. Be kind to your parents, tell the truth, help others, and make dua to Allah. Remember, true honor comes from Allah. Let's remember what we learned today. Al-Mu'izz is Allah's beautiful name that means He gives honor and strength. When we follow Allah's path, He makes us strong and respected. Remember, dear children, Allah is Al-Mu'izz and He loves to give honor to those who follow Him. Let's make dua. O Allah, give us honor by helping us be good Muslims.